Hello everyone, today we'll be seeing how to fix your Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Error 1. So for this, first of all, what does it mean? It means that your vacuum cleaner is basically having some hurdles in rotating its left wheel. So for that, it could be some sort of debris or hair tangleness is across the wheels which is hampering its movement. So for that, you should try these fixes. So fix number 1 is just reset your Xiaomi mop. So for that, just take a pin and just press the reset button over your mop, and then you can see the Wi-Fi will be blinking after it is been resetted. So now you can connect it again to the Wi-Fi network by going to the Xiaomi Home app, and you can start working with your mop. Now just connect it with the dock again, and it should take the charge. Fix number 2 is just turning off and turning on your mop again, and after that just try to connect it to the charging port dock, and then it should start charging. Fix number 3 is just updating the firmware of your mop. So for that, just go to your Xiaomi Home app, and there you can just go for an option of selecting your mop, and then you can go for an option for the settings, and in that you can see an option for your firmware update. So if there is any update available, you can just update it. Fix number 4 is just cleaning the dock. Just try to clean the points of the dock with a good cloth, and then also on your mop, and then try to connect it. Sometime because of carbon accumulation, this connectivity is breaked, so you can just clean it and then charge it again. Fix number 5 is cleaning the left wheel of your mop. So for that, just remove the debris or some hair-like structure attaching to these wheels. If there is any wheel having entangled hair over it, just remove them. Because of this entangled hair or obstacle, this error occurs. Thanks. Hope you like the information. Thanks for watching.